Looking for the best glue guns to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. HOTO Easyflow Hot Glue Gun. This is the best glue gun you can buy for the price and offers exceptional versatility with its wireless and wired usage options. This innovative tool features automatic dispensing technology, ensuring a steady and even flow of glue with just a light press on the trigger. The gun preheats rapidly in just 30 seconds, allowing for quick project starts. Its 3000 mAh battery capacity enables extended use, dispensing up to 28 glue sticks on a single charge. The Easyflow comes with 40 glue sticks, including 10 colored and 30 transparent, providing immediate crafting options. Intelligent temperature control maintains optimal heat, preventing overheating and ensuring consistent performance. The anti-drip design reduces mess and protects hands from hot glue. Ergonomically designed, the gun's balanced structure allows for comfortable handling during extended use. It features an auto-off function after 5 minutes of inactivity, enhancing safety. Number 2. Greenworks HGG901. This is our runner-up pick and offers unparalleled mobility for DIY enthusiasts and crafters. This cordless model heats up rapidly in just 90 seconds, indicated by an LED light that changes from red to green when ready. The gun dispenses glue at a rate of 0.18 ounces per minute through its precision point tip, ensuring accurate application. Key features include a drip-free nozzle, a self-standing design, and a 3-finger trigger for improved control. The gun automatically shuts off after 3 minutes of inactivity, enhancing safety. It's compatible with standard 7/16" glue sticks and includes a 2.0 Ah battery that provides approximately 90 minutes of continuous use. Weighing 1.8 pounds with the battery, the gun is slightly heavier than corded models but offers the advantage of cordless operation. The ergonomic design features a soft rubber overmold for comfortable handling. An integrated LED light improves visibility in low light conditions. The Greenworks 24V cordless glue gun is part of the PowerAll system, making it compatible with over 125 other 24V Greenworks tools. It comes with a 3-year limited warranty on both the tool and battery, ensuring long-term reliability. Number 3. Dewalt DWHTGR50. The Dewalt glue gun boasts rapid heating capabilities, reaching operational temperature in just 15 seconds. Its ceramic heating element ensures efficient and consistent heat distribution. The gun features a high-output design, capable of applying over 50 glue sticks per hour. Safety is enhanced with a heat-resistant silicone tip guard and a sturdy fold-out stand with a rubber base. The ergonomic design includes a comfortable trigger for ease of use. This professional-grade tool maintains heat for about 5 minutes after unplugging, increasing productivity. With its durable construction and variable power output ranging from 60 to 110 watts, the DWHTGR50 is suitable for both heavy-duty and precision tasks. Number 4. Gorilla Dual Temp Glue Gun. The Gorilla Dual Temp Glue Gun offers versatile temperature settings for various projects. This full-size model features a precision nozzle for accurate application and an easy squeeze trigger for comfortable use. The gun's lightweight design and built-in stand enhance usability, while the long insulated nozzle provides safety during operation. It's suitable for bonding wood, metal, glass, and floral materials. The gun comes with enhanced safety features and is UL listed. Its weather-resistant and durable glue makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects. The kit includes 45 glue sticks, providing excellent value for crafters and DIY enthusiasts. Number 5. Mr. Penn Hot Glue Gun. This is our 5th rated pick but still offers excellent value for its price. This 20W mini glue gun comes with 10 high-quality 4-inch glue sticks, providing ample supply for various projects. Its user-friendly design includes an anti-hot cover and safe power switch for enhanced safety. The precision nozzle ensures accurate application, while the easy squeeze trigger and built-in stand improve usability. The gun heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperature for smooth glue flow. Its compact size makes it ideal for crafts and small repairs. The durable construction and reliable performance make this glue gun a practical choice for those on a budget.